Hello Sumit, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are making this we're learning how to make this shoulder ruffle. It is very easy to make, so we're just going to go right into it. um I have my fabric already cut out. I have two pieces with me like this. So what you would do, the width of the fabric is 8 inches. It is measuring 8 inches wide, so you can decide that yours is not as wide as my own, okay? But the length, the length has to be much, because the more the fabric, the more ruffles you will create. The length here is 48. So the two pieces I have measuring 48 inches, I'm going to join it together because I need a lot of it for the ruffles. After joining it, this is what we have, okay? So I'm going to put this one aside now, and I'm going to bring another pieces. So this pieces is measuring 2 inches wide. So I'm going to go ahead to the sewing machine, and it is measuring long enough to go across my shoulder like it is at the beginning of the video. So I went ahead to join it into two. I went ahead to fold it into two and sew. Then I turned it to the right side. So now this is the main fabric, right? I'm going to fold it into two and we're going to turn it. We're going to sew. Right side, we are sewing on the wrong side though. It is the right side we're folding. So this is the other one that I've gone ahead to sew, and this is how we're going to use it to turn this bigger one that we're working on. So now I'm going to pin the edges of the bigger one like so. Then I'm going to bring this other one, and I will place it on it like this. Don't forget, this is the wrong side of the fabric that I'm pinning this other one on. I will pin it on it like this. Then I'll go to the machine and sew like this, straight down. I'll go ahead and sew and come back. So here I've gone ahead to sew it, and this is what we have. Now we have to flip it to the right side, okay? We have to turn it to the right side. You can see how long it is. If you have enough fabric to make yours longer than my own, please do, because that's when the ruffles will be much. So after sewing it this way, we have to turn it. So now you can see what I have with me. Just if you have anything, any long thing with you that you can use to turn it, you can just go ahead and use it to turn it. So we want to turn this fabric now. We don't want to turn it to the right side. And if I keep pushing it in, you will see that this other strap that we added to it now, it will be exhausted. So I will just go ahead and push until I can get the other end of the fabric outside through this opening. So after that, can you see this side is almost going, and we don't want that. So I went ahead to bring needle and thread, and I attach it to it. So when I pull, the thread will remain for me. So the thread I attached to it was not long enough. You know, this fabric is very long. So I went to tie another thread to it. I went ahead to tie another thread to the edge where the thread was almost finished. I went ahead to tie another thread to it. Don't forget that this thread is tied to that strap, because it is that strap that will give us the ruffle, okay? So I will continue pulling because I now have enough thread. So now this is what we have. I'm not going to draw the thread. Can you see? You can see that the ruffles are already forming. So when you draw the thread, it will put to an extent that the fabric will come outside, the fabric that is inside. Don't forget that the fabric that is inside now, it is long enough to go across my shoulder. So you measure your own from the other shoulder to the other shoulder. So you make sure that that strap is long enough to go across your shoulder. So that's what you draw your ruffles on. Can you see that the ruffles are already showing? At the end of the video, you are going to see it on my dress form. So here now, after dragging the strap out, I'm going to fold the edge of the fabric on top of the strap. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm folding the edge of the fabric. After folding it, I'm going to run a straight stitch holding the fabric and the strap together I'm going to secure it with my sewing machine. So I'll just go to the sewing machine and secure the edge like that and come back. So here I've gone ahead to secure it. Can you see what we have? You can see the ruffles, right? So like I said, if you want more ruffles, if you want your ruffles to be closer or be tighter than this one, you want more ruffles, you need more fabric. 48 plus 48 is how many? That's about 80, 96. So this is it after creating the ruffles, and this is it on my dummy. Find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, like, comment and share for others to see. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.